Hi, my name is Scott Linn. I'm the head football coach here at Alfred State College. I wanted to take just a moment to tell you a little bit about our program. We are in a unique position and probably unlike any other place you are taking a look at. That's because we really are a brand new football program. The 2019 season was only our second as an NCAA Division III member. I got hired in April of 2018, so last year's freshman class was our first recruiting class. In just our second season, in 2019, and with only one recruiting class under our belt as a staff, these are some of the things that we were able to accomplish. We had 9 players selected as Conference Players of the Week. We had the individual conference leader in sacks, the individual conference leader in rushing yards and rushing touchdowns. We had the NCAA statistical champion in passes defended. We had 12 all-conference selections and 2 all-region selections. But most importantly, we had more wins than the previous 3 seasons combined, all put together. We played on the road up in Massachusetts against the team that won our league. We lost 50-46. We had the ball deep in their territory at the end of the fourth quarter. Unfortunately, we came up just short of the end zone. If we had scored and won that game, we would have won the conference championship and gone to the NCAA playoffs. That's how far we've come with just 1 recruiting class. Imagine how good we will be when we have 2 recruiting classes, when we have 3, when we have 4. I couldn't be more confident that when this group of freshmen who just joined us in August are walking across the stage at graduation in 4 years, they will have at least 1 conference championship ring on their fingers. That's the direction we are headed and our timeline to get there. The opportunity that you have with us, that you will not find anywhere else, is the chance to be a part of building something from the ground up, to be a founding father, and to be the first at so many things. In life, it's rare that anyone, in any walk of life, gets to be the first to do anything. Everyone takes great pride in their successes, but there is an extra special amount of pride when you are the first to do something. No one can ever take that away from you. There will only ever be one first team at Alfred State to win a conference championship. First to make the NCAA playoffs. First to win an NCAA playoff game. That is what the very short-term future holds for us here. It's going to be a challenge. None of it will be easy. But if you're someone who is up for a challenge and wants to work, I promise you that it'll be more than worth it.